Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabrielle Minerva, and here on this channel we talk about health, beauty, natural DIYs. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I used sea moss gel on my face for 5 days. I was really trying to go for 5 consecutive days. Unfortunately, I got sick after day 4 for like 2 days. So I was out of commission, but then I jumped back on it just to finish the video and share with you my results. I'm going to just give you a rundown about what sea moss is in case some of you haven't heard about it, and then I'll give you day 1 to day 3 update in the middle of the video, and then at the end I'll share with you the final results and pros, cons, who I believe can actually benefit from the mask the most, like in terms of skin type, and whether or not I'll be using it in my skincare regimen. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Leave a comment down below if you have tried this mask before, or if you've tried sea moss at all. If you're interested in sea moss, we have another video where I use sea moss gel with other ingredients to detoxify my face. And if you're interested in seeing that video, hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss it. So for those of you who haven't heard of Irish moss and its benefits, I'm just going to give you a very quick rundown on what Irish moss is, also known as sea moss. Sea moss is a red algae seaweed, much like spirulina or chlorella. It can be found in a variety of colors, from green to purple to red, brown. It's also known to contain 92 out of 102 minerals found in the human body. It also has 15 out of 18 essential elements needed to maintain a healthy body. Sea moss is also packed with a wide variety of vitamins. It also has amino acids within it. It's high in minerals like sulfur, magnesium, calcium, iodine.
You saw me back and I feel new, please don't be shy. I know that you feel like me too, don't be afraid.
With a towel, and let me tell you guys, day one, my skin immediately felt really soft, and it felt clean too, which is kind of weird. I wasn't expecting that. It felt super soft. It felt really supple. It felt my pores were a lot smaller, not like drastically smaller, but like noticeably smaller. And I naturally have like large pores right here in this area, so it's a struggle. That's because I mostly just steam the hell out of my face in the shower. Yeah, it was really hydrating. I noticed like tightness in my face and my skin, which was really nice. So I kind of like walked around for a little bit, cleaned up a little without applying my, that's a lie. So I went ahead and applied my usual like moisturizer, which is just rose water, and then I take whatever body lotion I have possession of, like a pea size amount, like just a drop, and then I add a drop of vitamin E oil and a couple of drops of argan oil, and that's my moisturizer done for the day. If I'm going out, then I put sunscreen on. And my face, woo, my face, again, soft, hydrated, supple, noise.
You saw me back and I feel new, please don't be shy. I know that you feel like me too, don't be afraid. Give me your love, baby, give me your hand now, and I just wanna go with you anywhere. I feel like I'm not awake, I
wasn't really much of a difference. But day 3, y'all, the glow, the hydration, the suppleness, and I even saw like a little change in like texture. Like, so my main reason for doing this mask is because I found that when I wear the N95 mask too long, my face starts to break out in like little heat bumps. And so I decided to just give sea moss a try. I read that it would be able to help with the texture of your skin and things like that. Plus I also had like was dealing with like little bit patches of dry skin and stuff like that from like a couple months ago when I broke out with like eczema and a hot mess. But I noticed that by day 3 the texture of my skin started to change. Those rash bumps started to go away. Again, my skin was glowing, my skin was hydrated, my skin felt soft, it felt like tight in the right places. It was just like, okay, we just had Botox injections, or I'm assuming that's how it feels. Never had Botox before, so wouldn't know.
You saw me back and I felt no, please don't be shy. I know that you feel like me too, don't be afraid. Give me your love, baby, give me your hand now, and I just wanna go with you anywhere. I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. Give me love, give me up, give me all you can. I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away.
Day 4 was much of the same as day 3. It wasn't that big of a change. And even after day 4, you guys, like even after 2 straight days of not using sea moss, I was still seeing visible, like I was still seeing the benefits in my skin. Okay, I was still seeing the glow, I was still seeing the hydration, I was still seeing the tightness in the pores. So awesome, my thumbs are up.
You saw me back and I felt no, please don't be shy. I know that you feel like me too, don't be afraid. Give me your love, baby, give me your hand now, and I just wanna go with you anywhere. I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. Give me love, give me up, give me all you can. I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. Baby, I just want you to stay.
When I reapplied after those 2 days of not putting it on, like as you saw in the video, my skin was on point. Okay, even after those 2 days of nothing, my skin was on point. So I will definitely be doing this again. Like I have oily combination skin, so I feel like I noticed my cheeks get really dry and my T-zone is very oily, but I got pretty, like my face was really normal. I want to say like all the excess oil, I wasn't having issues with the dry areas, I wasn't having issues with, like my skin felt normal. Like so if you are somebody who has combination skin and you're looking to kind of like even out your skin, definitely try sea moss. If you have oily skin and you just want to tone down that oil, definitely try sea moss. If you have dry skin and you're trying to hydrate that face, definitely try sea moss. And ditto for people who have like eczema on your face, psoriasis, dermatitis, all that. I'm pretty sure even if you have it on your body, if you just apply this directly on that eczema, this will definitely work for you. So all in all, will I do this again? Yes.